say, do I need whiskey to start fueling my complaints? People love to drink their troubles away. Sometimes I feel that I'd be better off that way, 'cause maybe then I could sleep at night. I wouldn't lie awake until the morning light. This is something that I'll never control. My nerves will be the death of me, I know. I know. I know. So here's to living life miserable, and here's to all the lonely stories that I've told. Maybe drinking wine would validate